one of the key topics which is to my heart is the learning, how the learning would entail in 2025. This industry is going to grow in 2025, and what I see, the key areas that where it will grow, or what would be the learner preference, or the key trends in shaping the industry. Gamification will continue to grow, with more leaderboards, challenges, and rewards. This approach would be mostly to motivate the people and have knowledge retention, making learning more interactive and fun. Apart from this, the second trend which we would see in this industry would be micro-learning. Micro-learning because as we see, the time span, the attention span of people is shrinking day by day. So the bite-sized video content delivered in shorter modules, with 2-3 minutes or even lesser than that, probably like shorts, like YouTube has come up with shorts, blending. So, those type of learning content would come in when user doesn't want to read the entire videos and they just get the gist. So like bite-sized videos would be another trend which we would see in learning in 2025 in micro-learning space. Apart from that, I see is like personalized and adaptive learning. One of the key things when, with AI and data analytics coming, people would leverage these technologies to create a personalized and adaptive learning for individuals to improve the performance of an individual, create a custom learning paths and optimize learning and outcomes. Another trend which we can see is more on the mobile learning, because mobile device usage have grown over a period of time with data being accessible to everyone. So platforms which have mobile learning would they would use more resources, and that would also improve the flexibility, because while you're traveling, while you are on your roads, you can just read an article, or more like an audio could also be another case, where in mobile learning, where people will be more used to like having an audio learning as compared to like reading. Then as a learning leaders, one of the key focus would be reskilling and leadership development. Just to say, like, to meet the workforce demands, especially in the cutting edge technologies, AI, data analytics, few new jobs would come in, few job roles would come in. And for that, we would need, preparing people on like skilling, cross-skilling, and have more inclusive learning strategies. So that's another trend which we will see. Last two, I would call it as like, collaborative learning. This could be another, learning trend we can see, where peer-to-peer learning could be a part of it. More knowledge sharing between platforms, right? Like Slack or any other Microsoft Teams, to foster more culture of innovation and strengthening team dynamics. The last one could be an immersive technologies, where virtual reality, augmented reality will revolutionize how learning offerings are right now in terms of hands-on immersive simulations, enhancing practical skills, improving engagement across industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and education. So these are the trends which I see in 2025, on the learning side. But in short, if I have to sum it up, it is more about how do you engage with your learners, how do you make learning, the competency, the skills accessible to mass audience, how can you make this learning more effective experience for everyone. Like today plus, like always know to do a good work and always want to do provide operational efficiency, provide value to the clients. So that is precisely why we get like good reviews, and our like clients are for long-term relationships which we try to maintain with our clients, right? So that I think is the key in all this initiatives or driven. And also we are a one-stop solution where we provide end-to-end solutioning for the client. We're not just a company, but it's like a company which is driven by values, which wants the clients to be happy, and the entire ecosystem around that, and the team takes a really good care of their clients, like by providing value at each and every step. Thank you.